Hey friends, if you wish to change Google Chrome cache size for better performance on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the statement. We have a command line here and I will share it with you in the description section of the video. This is the cache size you want in bytes. Okay, so let's say I want 512 MB in bytes. Okay, so it will give me an exact value. Or let's say that I want 254 MB. Okay, 254 MBs in bytes. I have this value here. Okay, so all I need to do is replace this figure. Now the cache size will become 254 MB, which is quite good for Google Chrome. All I need to do is right click on Google Chrome, select show more options, properties, and then put a space in front of the target path and paste this figure here. Click on apply, continue, okay, and I'm done, and Chrome will be somewhat faster now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.